Forget horoscopes. Listen to your sneeze, it's revealing your ancient mythical DNA. If your sneeze hits over 80 decibels, you literally have dragon genes. It's not a cold, it's your body running a mini fire-breathing test. That thunderous sound is the 2% prehistoric dragon blood in your veins waking up. Which one are you? Small sneezes are forest elves, social experts. Deep ones are polar bears, built for the cold. Sneeze 3+ times, your soul is rebooting. No wonder my dad's sneeze sounds like Jurassic Park. Tag that friend who sneezes insanely loud and ask if they're about to breathe fire. Let's test it.